In this short tutorial, I will show you how to unblock someone on Google Chat on your iPhone. If you have blocked someone by mistake or want to reconnect with a previously blocked contact, I will guide you through the process. To get started, open the Google Chat app, and then tap on these three lines at the top left corner of the screen. Tap Settings. After that, scroll down a bit and tap Manage Blocked Spaces and Chats. Now you'll be able to see the blocked list on Google Chat. To unblock someone on Google Chat, simply tap on the X button next to the person that you blocked previously. If the person is not on this list, then you have to manually search for them and unblock them. To do that, go back and tap on this button at the bottom right. Search for them by typing in their email address. Tap and select them from the search results. And then simply tap on the Unblock button at the bottom right. Now you have successfully unblocked that person on Google Chat, and you can resume chatting with them as usual. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.